We unscrewed the
There is a
here.
seal and a screw, okay.
It was like this, and then we removed.
Removed it. Now we're inserting the handle through here.
Yeah, all the way.
Okay, good.
And then you're
And
gonna
now
put
you
the
have to
rubber
put
first.
The rubber first. Okay, you should look from the inside, so where the rubber comes, yes.
More. Just twist, turn.
It's gonna go through once you put the screw. Which way it was now?
Maybe like this.
Are you sure?
Go in or no?
No. This way. Okay. And now you're gonna hook up the chain.
Why this thing is like this?
That's how it is. You can tighten it more. No, but you wanna break it. Okay. This is the chain. Well, you have to
Unhook it.
smaller hand. You can
Okay,